One of the most common questions I keep hearing is about the importance of sketching in any painting. While a few reference lines are more than enough for you to paint, it also depends on the subject to choose. To me, it's a personal choice. I prefer to have detailed line drawings whenever the subject has an object of interest. It could be an instrument, it could be a vehicle, it could be a building where perspective projection is very critical. So it also helps me bring back the viewer's attention onto the painting, and also it fills in the gaps whenever I lose out on details while painting. So that's another advantage. As you can see, this particular subject I have chosen has got a wonderful perspective. So I love to detail it, and that's how I decided to go for detailed sketching. It's very important to have your first wash right to set the tone for the entire subject. You could start working on the details now before the paper gets too dry. In fact, in a wet and wet technique, you don't wait for the entire paper to get completely dry. So it's very important to note how objects in nature, how beautifully they take on each other's colors. There are no true colors. Each and every object will take on some part of the color nearby object, and you can see how beautifully they mix with each other, and that's what makes it so natural. There are no flat colors, as you can see. For me, the most beautiful part of any painting is how the subject dances with light and shade. For me, it's magic.